Clear. Okay. Okay, Roger.
Hey, where's the target?
It's friendly down there.
I just want you that.
Two guys just push to the left side. Go. Mikey, inside.
All right, let me check this one.
Hit!
Oh, nice one.
There's one further down.
Got a medic in there.
Which door?
Do you,
Good.
Hey guys, walk in.
Push up behind
Hey,
him. I got this corner.
Medic! Hey, move me up. Move me up, move me up, move me up.
yeah. Oh. There you go.
Hang him down.
I knew he got lucky just walking across there. That was.
Breach that door.
We might want to get out of here because.
That guy's down.
Doorway! Can't block the doorway.
So, there's a door down this hallway to the right. He's just peeking that.
Medic! Pull me back and I'm gonna kick the stupid door. Can one of y'all grab him?
Trident's being asked to go back to the fob.
You see?
Watch it. David, go. Wait.
Fucking door! Shoot the door, shoot the door, shoot the door. Shoot the door! No, don't shoot green, don't shoot green.
Yeah, that's green.
Door, not the fucking
Try. Loading.
You're good. Take your time. Oh shit. Yeah, that hallway's busted, you guys.
That's what we just said.
Hurry up!
And they're like, oh yeah, we got it.
We lost the ship to the door. It's gonna close.
Ricochet.
Cuddy, back up.
Get back in. Get back in.
Can we get in through this way? Is there any access point?
That's the only other one that might open. See if it works.
Yeah, this does.
I'm keeping it on my
This one.
Clear.
There's nothing in there.
Oh fuck.
Dead end.
Besides you and me and whoever else fell back. Chaos!
Are they in that
Is there a way to get around through that wall?
No, they got
Like that room back there?
Oh! Take his fingers off.
That was fucking dope.
Jeez. Tell me somebody got that on camera.
His dumb ass just stood there and stand on the grenade.
Oh yeah.
the guy around the
Hey, do we have a barrel down there on that fucking? What if they pop open again?
Oh, he is a
So,
dick.
Mr. Speed Sock is just...
Okay. Now we can. Now that'll close there. Yeah. Actually, you guys can already open these doors then.
Is that a ref?
They're barricading.
It's a ref, yeah.
That guy, I think we're letting that dead guy.
Closer. They're gonna shoot. They're gonna shoot past over the ref.
He is barricading that.
Yeah, he's using it as a makeshift riot shield.
I can't shoot with that guy right there.
What the fuck? That. Oh shit.
Really?
I don't. He has a shot on me, so.
Alright, let's try and outflank him.
Yeah. Let's pull back. They got this down.
I'll take the hit.
Chris. Here, I'm a lefty.
Right above you, Zach. Right above you.
Is he hit?
Yeah, he's hit. Arms up.
Which side of the? Which side?
Well, let's fucking go. You wanna go?
Wanna push?
No, well, I don't see anything.
We're at LMG.
All right, we're going. Pick that guy up.
Left corner!
Left of the hall.
We're in the back hallway by the FOB.
Tell them we're about to push.
We're about to push up.
Ref.
Watch the room on your left. I got the hallway. You clear the room. Zach, can you connect to the next room? Is it room by room?
Yes.
Right. Hey, crossing. I'm crossing. Incoming! Oh, that wasn't a... Okay, never mind.
Hey, Chris.
Yeah.
Can you help me out here? Push. I'm gonna push.
Let me know if they're gonna rush us, okay?
Hey, Green, coming up to your rear.
All right.
On you. Well, he missed terribly. Zach, I'm right over you.
Say again?
I'm right above you.
Got it.
Dead.
They're dead. They're
Dead. Dead. Do you want to toss a nade? I'll cover. Wait, let me cover. Let me cover.
Green.
See if you can get in that right corner. Are you covering the left or the right?
The right.
Oh shit, that's what I got. I'm lefty, so. Fuck. It's good. Good nade, good nade.
Hey, they're throwing more nades at us.
I think you got someone. Jammed, jammed. Okay. Are you hit?
Nice. I got it.
Oop, shit. Where was that? That was way the fuck over there. Cover, cover. Shit.
They know we're here. I see a red.
If you're gonna throw it, come to where I'm at. Toss it.
Didn't go in.
You gotta throw it like that.
Okay.
Well, that was my last one for now. I got some more on me, but we need to decide what we're gonna do.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, he's right around the corner.
So if I throw it at the intersection, you think I'll get him?
At the intersection, you'll probably get him now.
Want to cover? Suppress and then throw?
Oh, shit. Nope, he just put his light on me. He's in the doorway, dead center, overlooking the hallway. Just go straight.
Oh shit, hit.
Can you be buddy?
Yeah.
Is he dead?
Got him. Their shopping cart is down. Both of them are down.
Changing.
Another one just went in.
Yeah, they're dead. Hey, is anybody peeking this? I just want to tell them that we're here. Tell me when.
Now. I just cleaned up that right room.
Huh?
I just cleaned up that right room.
Okay, which right one? This, oh.
Yeah, I got two of them in that doorway.
Okay. Who's this?
No, they're both dead. Yeah, he's dead.
He needs a dead rag, I can't.
Window, window, window.
Got him. Move! Move!
Get down! Take
Move!
it in!
Move!
There's no one behind me!
There was a guy dancing just behind you!
There's no one behind me! So stop!
I'm like 50, 60, 70% sure.
There is. I got that door.
I'm checking the other window. Mesa, can you see the doorway to the room on the right? No, don't move, don't move, don't move. Just tell me if you can.
No.
Okay.
Yeah, bullshit! I just saw him pull you!
I can nade it.
Yep, do it! Fuck him!
Fuck!
Oh my man!
Outer nades. That was a terrible nade. If they're rushing, let me know.
Hit! 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 Hit!
Hit! Hit! Hit!
Hit! Yeah, sorry. I didn't see you.
Shit.
Hey, in that room there, they're not calling hits and they're blind firing. They've been doing it for 5 minutes now.
Yeah, that's ridiculous.
They just stick their pistols out. Fucking dent in there.
Oh, there is. Hey guys, there might be tan on that side. Because the sniper's watching that hallway. Yeah.
Yeah, we're coming.
Coming in.
David!
Is that a room? That's a room.
There's a long hallway. It's 8. This is the hallway that goes from our
We got one more friendly, 2 more friendly.
There's a door set by right here.
Hey, we own the other side of this hallway, okay? But don't pie out because I don't know if they know we're down here.
Moscow! Moscow!
I don't see anybody, Freddie. Okay. I'm gonna cross.
I got you.
They usually been stacking up on the other side door. There's like a bookcase and all this other stuff.
I'm coming to you.
You got a view in there?
Hey, is it friendly or enemy in this room down ahead?
Mesa. Crossing?
We own that.
Okay. Safe to cross?
Give me a second. Go. Cross.
Friendly's in this room.
Yeah. So, it didn't explode?
Mesa on me.
Yeah. The one that says do not enter. Let me know when you're on me. All right.
4 up.
Going. Cross. Dead room.
Dead room!
Oh, shit. Get in.
Hit. Just ricochets.
Oh, those are
Yeah, those are
Yeah, because the door was protecting us. There's no way.
Yeah, dude.
Okay, cool.
Come here a bit.
It would have been a slap.
Oh, no, yeah, that's right. You got ricocheted.
Oh, because I got hit by like 8.
Yeah, I got hit on my back arm, so it's a ricochet. Hold up. Wait.
Enter.
What's up?
The green?
Admin.
Yeah, I got one.
Your camera.
He was asking if you
Yeah.
Your camera's fucked up, by the way.
Yeah, fuck it.
Okay.
Not important. I need a right-handed shooter. I can't really
See you.
clear that hallway.
Hey, do you guys just keep that door open since it locks?
Sure.
If it locks, no problem, but thank you.
Yep.
You wanna let's put something like a trash can in front of it.
Clear. It looks... Probably
Could have been quieter on that.
Those 3 are dead.
Okay, we got a room connecting here, but they're to our
We
left.
got 5 guys.
Go. One in the left room and down the hallway.
Hey, that's a slap shot. You can't shoot from the door frame like that.
Need one. Mesa, on me. Deadman, come out. Deadman. Come out. Come out. Come out. Mesa. Nice. Call it louder. Mule. 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 Need one. Need one. Are you dead or in buddy aid?
I need that, buddy.
Need a buddy aid. Need a buddy aid. Hey, green. Green. Fuck, I don't want to lose this corner. Green. Hey, drag him. Drag him.
Hand, give me a hand, give me a hand.
Coming in. Shit. Okay. Left room. One in the left room and at the end of the hallway. Unknown right room. Yeah, I had a bad angle. So
I'm gonna...
let him get out of the way. Yeah.
Where?
Hey, is that a ref in the right room?
Just throw it down.
Do you want to move?
I'm moving because I'm dead.
Dead or buddy aid?
Buddy, Medicaid. But I don't want to be shot anyway by now.
Yeah. Need a medic on Bravo. Or Baker. Fuck.
Fuck that. We gotta try a different way.
On you. What about the left room? What about...
To the left, down the hallway to the left.
Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Is that friendly?
What?
In the left room right here.
Dead.
Dead? I saw a flashlight. Okay.
Saw a dead rig. Yeah, there's a dead pan.
Okay. I'm watching it just in case.
Do I push or?
We need one more.
Pull back. They got about fucking 12 guys down there. Pull back. Pull back.
Come out.
They got about 12. Pull back. Pull back. Pull back. Lay down fire. Pull back. Pull back. Pull back. Again. All right. Give up that hallway.
Yeah.
Let them have it.
Hold for your security on it until we get
Yeah,
out.
watch it.
All right. Back up. Back up. I got security. I got security. Go. Find out how that hallway is looking.
Last man.
All right.
Oh shit.
Hallway looking.
Hey, we're stuck here.
All right. Well, find the entrance.
Go.
Going down the room.
Where are we going?
Guys, on me.
Alright. Might as well get on it, Mason.
I got this hallway closed. We're advancing on the 12. I got a hallway in my way. Move. I got that.
Reloading.
My gun is not feeding. Fuck.
Here, get behind me.
Yeah. I got one to the right behind the
Oh,
tree.
shit. Woo.
Got a flashlight going right now.
Yeah. Changing. Moving.
How do we get up there?
The stairs are on the sides.
All right, over here. Let's go. Upstairs. Move.
Upstairs,
ready.
upstairs.
Oh, okay.
Who's this guy with the bicycle?
Got him.
See, I told you you could get a bike.
Hit.
He's hit.
Got him.
Yeah, I just shot him in the leg.
Get down.
Hey, contact on the stairwell.
Kim, get on the wall. Get out of the way.
They're on the other.
Suppress and I'll revive them. Kim, come here.
All hit.
I got him.
Okay.
Are you hit?
Where are they? Where are they?
They're behind that blue door. And the door behind that.
On the far end? Okay. Get a light. Cam, do you have a light?
What? No.
It's just an attic. Oh no, it does go to the roof. Fuck. Always wanted to do that.
Green moving to F213.
He goes to the roof. But that's probably off limits. Sadly. tighten the knot. Baker Squad, come in, over.
Baker Squad is down, Baker. This is loud and clear.
Baker Squad, this is Radio Ops and Baker Actual. CO reports hold control point on second level. I repeat, hold control point second level. Maintain defensive positions. Over. On your 6th.
Hello, Chris.
Where's Baker?
Right here,
Some of us are Baker.
Okay. Once we secure this, CO wants us to start advancing, but we have to make sure this is secure first.
I mean, technically this is secure, but
What about over there?
fire from everywhere.
We got our guys all
But the catwalk is fine.
The catwalk should be
Okay,
fine,
that's
yeah.
fine. So let's start advancing then. I say let's just keep as an OP for right now.
I don't know about this little cement. What the fuck?
The bunker?
Yeah, the bunker, but
Probably people in it.
I don't see anybody alive in this one.
we got this clear right there.
Okay.
They're pushing Chrono hard right now.
Rebel 6, this is Baker 6. Come in, over. OP is confirming that 2 times CRU squads are pushing the hangar chrono range as we speak. Over. Fuck my language. Negative. Friendly squads are pushing at the moment. Right. Baker, maintain observation for right now. Let those squads push up. That door that's sticking out. Moving!
Reloading!
He's down.
Got him!
Changing!
Come on! Keep coming! Keep pushing!
Pull your dead rag!
Alright! We got superior firepower!
There's 2 in that middle hallway that cuts in over there.
You could scare him with ricochets.
Yeah.
Good old airsoft tactics. Is that friendly or enemy on the catwalk?
I don't know.
Enemy all the way over there.
You said friendly?
I think it's enemy.
That looks like enemy on the opposite catwalk.
Okay.
So let's face one over here, one by each side of the stage. So that way we get
Push
covering fire.
that way.
Spread out on top. Let's hold the second floor.
Second floor secure. Baker, on me! Moving! Go!
Go.
Down. Crossing! Where are we going?
We're gonna go down. We're gonna go across like that side. Over here we go that hallway to the left.
Rebel 6, Baker 6, come in, over. Baker 6 is leaving the OP. We're gonna push the left wall of the hangar, over. Baker's on the move. Baker 6, this is Baker 6, come in, over. Interrogative, say again in position of friendlies, over. Roger that. Baker. Protect the silo, another squad's gonna take the silo. Protect the squad. We're providing some.
Not working.
Okay.
My shit is jammed.
Try and get it out. All right. Baker Actual is returning to FOB.
Watch that silo.
I'm just gonna meander out here. La-di-da. Okay, what can we do to get up there, Silo?
Is that a tan flashlight?
Hey guys, white Russian new call and response. We've been compromised with the old one. White Russian.
White Russian?
White Russian, okay?
Wait, white's the call?
White's the call, Russian's the response,
Okay.
okay?
10-4, that's a new call.
Baker, be advised of new call, new challenge and call.
White and Russian. That's the new call.
I can't even see what this is.
Hey, just so you know, you get a flashlight shining right here.
Yeah, I know. I've seen
Okay.
him. I've been popping shots with him, but
Okay.
he's like tucked way back in there.
Okay.
Just barely peeking.
Second story. I want to get the rocket to the chrono range. Oh shit. I hope that Thunder Bee is not live. Alright. Moving. This is Baker 6, come in Rebel 5.
That's super hot. That's all. Hell hot in there.
Baker 6 and 2 other squad mates are at the end of the chrono range. I'm with the rocket. We're thinking about
We should try and work our way around.
firing a rocket into the chrono. Over. We have plenty of guys here. Our left flank is exposed though. Shit, get down, get down. Hey. Reloading.
Is that tan?
They got a flashlight on me, so I would assume so. They are over there, but so they might have pushed in. We might be trapped right now. Does anybody know that room number? Rebel 6, Baker 6, Rebel 6, Baker 6. Tan has taken the left hall of the hangar. Reinforcements needed to reinforce left side of hangar. We're kind of being cut off right now. Over. Okay. Moving over you. Who's on the catwalk? Changing. Hit! Medic!
Don't hide among us like you're dead.
Game over! Game over! Index! Index! Index!
Are you fucking, these people are fucking stupid.
likes tan team.
They just like keep shooting.
No one likes tan
That's
team.
why you always go green. No one wants to play with fucking tan. They just keep doing that old shit.
What's up? Dude, yeah, everyone like had dead regs on. We just kept
Index,
texting a
index,
lot of,
index.
like, Baker?
Yeah. Man, your break. Baker.
Good luck. We're all counting it.
There they are.
Good. Zach, covering?
Yeah, we appreciate it.
You say Freddy's got you on that side.
Yep, hit! Oh, that hurt. Medic! Ow, fuck, that hurt. Medic, yeah, medic. Ugh. Yeah. I don't have another bandage.
He's right behind that door. On your left.
I've already been buddy-aided, so I need a medic.
Yeah, I'm a medic.
Okay. Nope, someone took it. I had to give it to someone else.
Give me that.
Rewrap it. He was like, oh, I'm all out of bandages. I'm like, here's my second one. I forgot to grab it back. There you go. Function. Zach. Hey, there was a guy in this room. That's who shot me. There's a guy in this room.
No, we just went in that room.
You did? Okay.
Yeah, we're in there.
Okay.
Get in that one. How deep does that go? It just connects to. Good. Get over there. We got tan over here.
Where?
You got a shot on it?
Other side of the glass. But they're also on the other side of this wall.
I can throw a nade.
Yeah.
Cover. Like, will this get him?
It should, like, you literally just. He's like right fucking here.
Okay. Is the glass closed?
Yeah.
Medic!
Wait a second. Guys, there's glass here that we should be able to see them.
Yeah. This door's closed.
No, you can look off this glass.
Oh.
Flood the room! Flood the room! He's behind the door! He's behind the door!
Hit!
Hey, come here, grab him. Who needs a medic?
We already took care of it.
Where's your thing?
Yeah, the guy behind the door is down. Good. Flood that room.
Flood the room! Go, guys, go!
Walk back.
Don't be.
Come here. Back. No, back here. Okay. I don't want you in the corner. You're good. Which arm? Radiation suit in H zone. Somewhere, I don't know what the fuck that means. That's what I'm hearing over comms right now.
H black.
Thanks for opening the door for him. We appreciate that.
What's up? I got comms to command. What's up?
Does the antenna mean anything anymore? Because I've got
Rebel 6, Baker 6, coming over. This is Baker 6. Do the radio antennas mean anything in terms of our objective? Over. Yep. Okay, so switches are still working and everything. It's still in game.
One guy on this door with pistol.
There's only one guy standing on the door.
What room is this? Guys, what room is this?
Flip it up.
1 second.
There's a thing on it, he said.
Yeah, it's guys. Oi! Anybody know what room this is?
H18, I believe.
We believe it. We found an H18. Over.
Search. Hey,
Yeah.
here's a radiation suit.
Radiation suit. Radiation suit.
Radiation suit.
Look for a radiation suit.
What's it look like? Like a legit one or a makeshift one? Hey, I found one of the rockets and a dead thing.
Nice. I fired one in there. That's the one I bounced into the room.
And this shit doesn't work anymore.
All right, go for it, brother.
Maybe I missed hazard.
Maybe. Is this place searched?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is the radiation suit gonna be yellow?
That's likely a radiation.
Rebel 6, Baker 6, urgent, over. Did you get an H block?
Yeah, I was. When that door was a wreck.
Hold on.
Rebel 6, Baker 6, urgent message, over. Rebel command, Baker 6, urgent message, over.
All right, you keep trying. I'm gonna go ahead and head on back.
Okay. Here you go. Is the radiation suit yellow in color? Over. He's thinking. Yes, yellow, go.
Someone go with him.
Someone is going back with him. We have a security detail on the way back right now with the yellow radiation suit. Over. I'll go with him. I'm with you as well. Okay, let me go first. Green.
Was it Papa?
Yeah, green.
Papa! We got a radiation suit. Okay, go back. I'm gonna go back to my squad.